The BetterWeigh mobile towing scale is a great tool that allows you to measure the weight of your vehicle with or without a trailer and cargo. It has several other measurement features such as pin weight, tongue weight, payload, and it can even help set up a weight distribution hitch. To do this, the BetterWeigh needs to be calibrated to your specific vehicle. If your vehicle is ever modified from factory specifications, including changing the tire size, upgrading or replacing the vehicle's suspension, or changing the axle gear ratios, we recommend you perform a manual calibration to ensure you are obtaining the most accurate measurements and readouts. CURT engineers have compiled calibration data for the most popular tow vehicles, but some vehicles may not have data, and these vehicles will need to be self-calibrated. There are two self-calibration processes, including the weight calibration and the suspension calibration. Before we get into the calibration, let's take a quick look at some of the setting options. Click the gear to get to the settings menu. One important setting that will help you calibrate is the option to change the unit measurements from pounds to kilograms. Once you have selected your preferred unit of measurement, you're ready to begin self-calibration. To access the Weigh self-calibration feature, follow the prompt when you enter the weight feature or clicking the gear in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen and select calibration. Follow the prompts to calibrate the weigh feature with your vehicle. You will manually enter the gross combined weight rating as well as the payload capacity. You can find this information on the stickers inside your door jamb. Next, enter the weight of all the cargo inside of your vehicle. This is easiest to do with just the driver and no extra cargo, so you can simply just enter your body weight. Now you're ready to drive. This process requires you to accelerate and stop 12 to 30 times, so it's recommended that you do it in an empty parking lot or on a road that you are confident will have little to no traffic for about 10 minutes. The BetterWeigh app will instruct you to drive through 15 miles per hour at light, medium, and heavy throttle levels. Repeat this pattern of acceleration until the progress bar is filled. Your vehicle is now calibrated and you can start using the vehicle weigh feature. To calibrate your suspension for the additional features of the BetterWeigh, navigate to the suspension weighing page by following a prompt or tapping the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen. Then select calibration and suspension weighing. Start by parking your vehicle and turning the engine off. Then let down the tailgate or open the trunk. Let the vehicle settle and press next. Once the initialization is complete, sit on the edge of the tailgate or trunk, enter your weight, and press continue. This process helps BetterWeigh understand how much your particular vehicle moves under a given weight. That completes the suspension calibration. The settings you have calibrated are saved into your phone for the calibrated vehicle. Now you can return to the home screen and you will have full functionality of your device. Know what you tow with the BetterWeigh mobile towing scale.